Well, people, if you are on a budget, you have to keep a view on your budget and your money, of course. And Ynab, you need a budget, or Mint are two budgeting tools in this world. And I'm going to compare them for you in terms of a few important key features. Well, if you dive into my computer, I can show you some key aspects and key features, and we're gonna tell you something about the pros, the cons, and I have some conclusion for you what's best for your budgeting needs. Yes, so first we have to dive in my computer, so let's go. Yes, people, welcome to my computer, and of course we're gonna compare Ynab versus Mint. And well, Ynab, I call it Ynab because that's more easy for this comparison, and of course you need a budget. And well, choosing the right personal finance app depends on your budgeting philosophy and financial goals. Ynab and Mint are two major players in the world of budgeting apps, and here is a comparison of these two tools based on their features, approach, account setup, ease of use, mobile apps, security and costs. Well, we start with You Need a Budget, or Ynab, whatever you call it. And first, how it works. And Ynab prompts you to allocate every dollar of your income to expected expenses or savings for the month, focusing on giving every dollar a job. Reporting. You Need a Budget offers reports in three categories: spending, net worth, and income versus expense. Extra features. It allows you to plan as far into future month as you like. Ease of setup. Account setup is easy, but getting acclimated to the You Need a Budget budgeting philosophy and processes may involve a learning curve. Device compatibility. Available on iOS, Android and web browsers, Apple Watches and Alexa. Well, the cost. Ynab offers a free trial period, after which it costs $14.99 per month, or $100 or well $99 per year, with a money-back guarantee. What are the pros of You Need a Budget? Well, it teaches a proactive approach to budgeting by assessing every dollar a job. It may help you save more money with its hand-on approach. Well-designed web interface and allows planning for multiple months in advance. No ads or offers in the interface. Well, the cons. It involves a learning curve and may feel overwhelming initially. Requires regular, disciplined interaction to fully benefit. It comes with a price tag after the free trial, of course, and we told you already it's $99 per year or $14.99 per month. Well, Mint. Mint allows you to review all your financial accounts, categorize your spending and create budgets. Well, something about the reporting. It provides reports in multiple categories, including spending, income and net worth. Extra features. Offers access to a free copy of your credit score, and the ease of setup and use is easy to set up by adding your financial accounts. Device compatibility. Available on iOS, Android, web browsers, Alexa and Google Assistant for the Android user. The cost. Mint is free to use and supported by ads and offers. Well, the pros of Mint. Easy to use and easy to set up and use. Offers a more hand-off approach to budgeting, connects a wide range of financial institutions, and it's free to use. Well, the cons of Mint. It's limited flexibility in customizing categories and can be less effective for users who want a more hands-on budgeting approach. Web interface design is less attractive and includes ads and offers. Well, what's the best app for you? Well, we start with You Need a Budget. Is suitable for those who want more hands-on approach budgeting. It emphasizes assessing every dollar for a specific purpose in advance. You Need a Budget design encourages forward-thinking budgeting, making it ideal for those who are motivated to manage their finances. Mint is a good choice for users who prefer a more straightforward approach to tracking expenses and budgeting. It's easy to set up, provides an overview of financial reports, and allows you to categorize spending. Mint is free, making it an attractive option for those users who don't want to pay for budgeting tools and are comfortable with ads and offers. Well, the cost consideration. You Need a Budget comes with a cost after the free trial period. However, You Need a Budget claims that its users can save a significant amount of money by following its budgeting philosophy, which may offset the subscription fee. In summary, the choice between You Need a Budget and Mint depends on your budgeting philosophy and whether you prefer a more hands-on, forward-thinking approach or a straightforward expense tracking and budgeting tool. And we come to an end of this comparison. And if you have any experience with one of those apps, please leave a comment in the description. That would be very nice. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.